In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate PDFs together in Google Meet with Kami. This is a handy skill to have for educators, students, or anyone who often collaborates on documents. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google Meet. You can do this by entering meetgoogle.com into your address bar. Once you arrive on the Google Meet homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the square icon, often called the waffle icon because of its grid-like appearance. This icon is your gateway to accessing various Google applications and extensions. Now once you've clicked the waffle icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu you'll need to select the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is where you can find and add useful extensions to your browser to enhance your productivity and functionality. Inside the Chrome Web Store, you'll want to use the search bar, which is usually located at the top left corner of the page. Type in Kami and press enter to begin the search. Kami is an indispensable tool for annotating PDFs and can make collaboration within Google Meet seamless and efficient. When the search results appear, scroll through until you find Kami. The Kami extension should come up quite quickly in your search given its popularity. Once you've located it, click on Kami to navigate to its details page. It's always a good idea to skim through the description to ensure it aligns with your needs, but Kami is specifically designed for educational and collaborative environments, which makes it perfect for our purpose here. After verifying that this is indeed the tool you want, you'll notice an Add to Chrome button somewhere on the page. Click this button and a small pop-up window will emerge asking you to confirm the addition of Kami to your extensions. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will then be installed onto your browser and you'll typically see its icon appear in the browser's toolbar. Now that Kami is installed, go back to Google Meet, start a new meeting or join an existing one, and you'll be ready to use Kami for collaborative PDF annotations. Simply share your screen or specific application window that contains your PDF, and use Kami's tools to highlight, comment, or draw on the document while discussing with your meeting participants. This real-time collaboration can make your meetings not only more interactive, but also more productive. So there you have it. With Kami integrated into your Google Meet sessions, you can now annotate PDFs collaboratively and efficiently. It's a simple process that can vastly improve your online collaboration efforts. Thanks for watching and happy annotating.